In this short tutorial, I will show you how to stop someone from messaging you on Messenger. If someone is bothering you or sending unwanted messages, it's important to know how to put a stop to it. To get started, open up the Facebook Messenger app and then find and tap on the person that you want to stop messaging. After that, tap on their name at the top left. And then scroll down to the very bottom of the page. Tap Block. Now you'll see two different options. Simply tap and select Block Messages and Calls. Tap Block to confirm it. Now you won't receive any messages or calls from this specific person, but if you are in a group chat with them, they can still interact and communicate with you. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.